Once the equipment is ordered, we get notification and we wait for the equipment to arrive. Once that equipment arrives, we verify that it's the correct equipment. If it is not the right equipment, we'll actually send it back and they'll have to reorder. This happens quite often. It can delay the process. After we get the equipment, verify it's the right equipment, then we'll call the customer to schedule the repair. This timeline can last somewhere between, in a very quick scenario, everything falls into place, maybe a week and a half to 2 weeks. And I've seen this thing go on for over a month and a half, just because the wrong equipment, they have lots of questions, getting authorization. So it depends on you. If you want your system done quickly and the way you want it, then call Anthem or an air conditioning company. If you're looking for the least expensive way, then go with your home warranty company. I'm Mike Solomon with Anthem Heating, Air Conditioning.